Now I'm going to be giving you guys a tip how you can assign ringtones to individual contacts on your Galaxy S24. Now the nice thing about doing this is that when your phone rings, you're going to know who's calling you and if it's important. And to make this happen, you just want to click on your phone app and then you want to click on contacts. Now for this example, I'm going to click on the contact Tom. And when you click on the contacts, you want to click the little info button. I'm hold upside to the camera so you guys see a little closer, but the next you want to do is click the more option in the bottom right hand corner. It's got 3 digits, and then you want to click change ringtone / vibration. It's going to pull up 3 different options. Just click on the second one, which is going to be ringtone. Okay, so from in here, you can go through the ringtones that come pre-installed on your S24, or you could hit the plus icon in the top right hand corner, and this will pull up any tracks or any kind of like music you've downloaded onto your phone. You can grab it right here, and then when you're done, that's basically it. And then, when you get a phone call, you're going to know who's calling you for that contact. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I would like to end things doing a little gameplay with the S24, playing some Killer Instincts. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'd also like to point out you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on updates by checking out some links below in the description. For now, let's run it. Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.